Mosquito Lagoon this morning. Good amount of wind, about 12 miles an hour out of the west-southwest. I'm going to use it to drift this flat and then get in some wind protected areas. It's supposed to die down late morning. I hope it does. If not, this might be a short trip. Like I said, I'm going against the wind now. I'm going to get up here a little ways and just drift this flat. Pretty productive flat usually. Caught a redfish here last time I was here. I usually catch a bunch of trout here. We'll get up here a little ways and drift back and see what happens. And like I said, go get in some wind protected areas. Saw some on Google Earth I want to check out today. This might be a little bit of a exploration sightseeing trip. Anyway, out of the house, on the water, having a good time. Beautiful out here today, hardly anyone out. I think the wind's keeping a lot of people away. Like I said, it's supposed to back off late morning. It's a nice day, mid-70s, probably high 70s right now actually. Nice and breezy. Springtime in Florida. Love fishing these little shads, little soft plastics. Super easy, you just cast and retrieve. They catch a lot of fish. Don't have to get fancy. No real technique to it. Just cast it and retrieve it. There he is. Nice little trout. I just realized when I caught that fish, I didn't bring the one thing I never forget. And that's a rag to wipe the trout goo off my hands. So, using my buff that I normally put on my face to protect from the sun. So I gotta remember to put sunblock on today. Nice Mosquito Lagoon trout. Beautiful fish. So wind is definitely your enemy on a kayak, but do your best to use it to your advantage. A lot easier to do if you have a rudder. That'll push me along here for a little bit. I usually don't come to Mosquito Lagoon here at Edie Creek when the wind's blowing like this. But I decided, what the heck, give it a shot. Paid off so far. Got a nice trout in the box. I think Courtney was wanting to grill some steaks tonight, so she'll have her choice. Steaks or blackened speckled sea trout tacos. Pretty little redfish on a green hornet. 2 spots on his tail, 1 on the other side. Beautiful fish, man. What a beautiful day. He's probably close to keeper size, but he's gonna go home today. Just can't beat it, man. Just double back, came back to where I drifted from. Saw this little nook in the mangroves right over there. Threw in there. As soon as the bait hit the water, man, that little redfish hit. Nice little fish. We'll drift this shoreline to the spot I saw over here on Google Earth. Check it out. Just about perfect. Just the right amount of wind pushed me along this shoreline. Not too fast. Just about right. Super shallow here. I got the Mirage Drive bungeed up against the bottom of the boat. Just using the rudder and the wind. Been watching hit bait all day. Well, for the last 30 minutes anyway. Nice. It's like a redfish. Uh-oh. Oh, this way, buddy. This way, this way. Uh-oh. He hit that little red, I think, is it a gulp shrimp? Not sure. This is a rod I normally rig baits on. Just happened to have this tied on with a popping cork. Took the popping cork off. Rest is history. You nailed that thing too. Nice fish. And the spot I saw on Google Earth wasn't quite as accessible as it looked. I'll check it again and maybe revisit it someday when it's not like this. Produced a couple redfish though, one nice one. Just gonna get out of this wind and get out off the water early today. I'm taking 2 fish home though, one nice trout and a nice redfish, so that's a good thing.